Mom, why were they called that?
What are their names?
What?
What was their name? Why?
Oh, I was talking about the Three Stooges themselves.
That was their name.
Oh. Oh, they're trying to climb up to me.
Oh.
They like me. They're all shaky. Maybe they're cold. Guys,
You're so adorable, you little babies.
I promise you, you'll get into a really good home.
We can get you taken care of, okay? Somebody will help you grow up until you're old enough to leave.
Which one's Curly?
Let's see.
Him?
Oh, don't do that. Oh my god. You'll be like, look, a sausage.
He's so cute. I wonder if they make a
Hey, no growling.
And be careful, don't hurt your friends.
Hey, no growling.
It's okay.
Vicious.